Well, I wanted to show you how sorry I was, so that's my peace offering.
Alam mo, kanina, nung nagkukwento si Laika, na paano kung biglang nag-plane crash, napaisip din ako na parang natakot ako.
Mas lalo ako, sweetheart. You don't know how scared I was. Ang daming pumapasok sa isip ko. What if I lost you? Hindi ko mapapatawad yung sarili ko na magkahiwalay tayo ng hindi okay.
Saka ba naman, hindi naman tayo maghihiwalay eh.
I know. Only death can separate us. But what if death came at a time like gaya nito? Paano pag halimbawa na aksidente ako or something, tapos magkaaway tayo? I don't want that to happen.
Lalo naman ako.
So please, sweetheart, let's not do this anymore, okay?
Sorry.
I'm sorry too. Yan yung pinagkakaabalahan ko kanina while I was waiting for you at the airport.
Forever, I won't let the world fall apart. From the very start, I'll be careful with your
I love you. I love you so much.
You are my sun, just a promise from you. From the very start.
Maya? Sweetheart, what's wrong? Why are you crying? Hindi pa ba tayo okay?
Hindi, okay na tayo. Kaya lang, nung nagising ako kanina, nakita ko to, tapos sa isip ko, hindi ko pa siya nababasa. Tapos nung binasa ko, naiyak mo ako sa sulat mo, sweetheart.